Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you off guys your auto rotated screen in your Tecno phone. As you want to off guys your auto rotated screen in your Tecno phone, so you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off guys this auto rotated screen in your Tecno phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how can we off it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now time to start video friend. First of all guys, open your phone setting to off this setting. Then guys, scroll it guys, click on a display and brightness setting. Then guys, scroll it and guys, you can see your auto rotated screen. So guys, we will off from right side this blue icon. Then guys, you can see guys, when you will open YouTube and guys any app and guys you want to rotate, so guys you cannot rotate guys because your auto rotated screen has off in your Tecno phone. So I hope friends have understood how to off auto rotated screen in Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.